Today, the department announces the arrest of Rigoberto Miranda Orozco, a Guatemalan national, for his alleged role in a human smuggling operation that resulted in the tragic deaths of 53 victims, including children, in a tractor-trailer in San Antonio, Texas, in June 2022. According to the indictment unsealed yesterday, Miranda Orozco participated in a human smuggling organization that allegedly used trucks and stash houses to move migrants from Guatemala to Mexico and then across the United States-Mexico border. In the weeks leading up to the June 2022 operation, Miranda Orozco secured payments from migrants who were citizens of Guatemala and then worked with his co-conspirators to smuggle and transport the migrants north from Guatemala. As the indictment lays out, on June 27, 2022, 65 individuals who had made arrangements with the smuggling organization, including children and a pregnant woman, were loaded into a tractor-trailer to be transported. According to the indictment, the trailer's air conditioning was not working properly as it drove north on a Texas interstate. As temperatures rose, some of the migrants inside the trailer allegedly lost consciousness, while others clawed at the walls, trying to escape. By the time the tractor-trailer reached San Antonio, the indictment alleges that 48 migrants had already died. And another 5 migrants died after being transported to local hospitals. Among those that died were 6 children and a pregnant woman. Earlier this week, Guatemalan authorities arrested Miranda Orozco at the request of the United States, along with several other members of the smuggling organization whom the Guatemalan government intends to prosecute in Guatemala. The department is pursuing Miranda Orozco's extradition. His capture is just the latest in a number of arrests of members of the smuggling organization that are responsible for this horrific and fatal event. To date, 4 of these defendants have pleaded guilty. This tragedy serves as a dire warning of the dangers that migrants face when they put their lives in the hands of human smugglers. Smugglers who are willing to expose migrants to life-threatening conditions for their own financial gain. Prosecuting these dangerous organizations is a critical priority for the DOJ. We will continue to work with our domestic and international law enforcement partners to investigate these cases as long as it takes to bring perpetrators to justice. Today's announcement is the result of outstanding work led by members of Joint Task Force Alpha, an interagency collaboration between the Department of Justice and Homeland Security that includes prosecutors in the Criminal Division's Human Rights and Special Prosecutions Section and the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Western District of Texas. I also want to express my deep appreciation to our key law enforcement partners at Homeland Security Investigations in Texas, Guatemala, and Washington, D.C., whose dedication and skills made yesterday's arrest possible. Finally, I would like to convey my sincere gratitude for the substantial cooperation we received from Guatemalan authorities. Thank you.